Hello, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're about to watch the weekly stocks market review. The American stock indices turned negative on Friday, owing to sluggish statistics from the US labor market, according to which the country's economy saw a lower number of new created jobs than awaited. Dow Jones Industrial Average Index dropped by 124.20 pips, or 1%, having touched the mark of 12,772 pips and making a weekly loss of 0.8%. S&P 500 leveled down by 12.9 pips, or 0.9%, to 1,354 pips, losing 0.6% for a week. In its turn, Nasdaq Composite downgraded by 38.79 or 1.3%, closing the trades at 2,937 pips level. For a week, the index gained 0.1%, recording the fifth week of uptrend. Considering the Friday report of the US Labor Department, the country's economy created 80,000 workplaces in June, fewer than economists had projected, with their 100,000 of new vacancies forecast. In the second quarter, the U.S. employment contracted. An average monthly gain of new payrolls reached 75,000, while the first quarter showed the same gauge to be at 226,000. The Friday fall had a wide-scale character. Among 30 Dow components, only 5 fixed an upturn. Among those were the shares of McDonald's Corporation and Walmart stores. Fast food papers got expensive by 0.36 pips or 0.4% to the grade of $89.66 per share. The quotes of the American supermarket securities advanced by 0.28 pips or 0.39% to the range of $71.36 per stock. All the components of Standard & Poor's 500 index completed the trading session in a negative zone. The top leaders were the shares of technology sector. In the Nasdaq base, the most sharply falling component was Informatica Corporation, which has lost 28% after Thursday evening the program software developer had downgraded its profit outlook for the second quarter. For the last 3 months, the company's quotes have depreciated by 18%. Relying on a new projection, the profit per share will touch 27.28 cents, and the annual income is to amount to $190 million. April figures were more optimistic, 35.37 cents per share and around $220 million of annual return. At the May conference of technological companies, Informatica announced that it expected a sales reduction in the European region, especially in the public sector. This was the weekly stocks market review provided to you by InstaForex. Goodbye.